Did you know a black hole isn't actually full of anything? It's not a ball of matter. It's a region of space-time where gravity is so strong, nothing, not even light, can escape. So, if a whole star disappears inside, where does its mass go? Here's the twist. In Einstein's universe, mass isn't a thing sitting in space, it is the curvature of space-time. When a star collapses, its matter vanishes forever beyond the event horizon. But the space around it stays warped. That warp, that permanent gravitational echo, is what we feel as the black hole's mass. Inside, atoms and even the quarks they're made of get torn apart. Some scientists think they'd transform into something far stranger, a Planck star, where space and time themselves twist into a quantum storm. So the mass isn't in a hidden core, it's stored in the very fabric of space-time itself. The ghost of a star written into the geometry of the universe.